Rangamani Jain, Director Ma'am Prerna Daga. We welcome you all. First time ever, we are so happy to have you together with us. Thank you for coming. Our guest of honor, Mrs. Jyoti Karju Ma'am, thank you ma'am for coming. Vasudha Ma'am, thank you so much for coming. And Madhulika Ma'am, thank you so much. Yes. Dear parents, we welcome you today to this special performance, The Colors of Krishna, a journey through time and soul, presented by our talented students of grade 4, 5, 6 and 7. सवेरे की शांति में बांसुरी की तान हो, सवेरे की शांति में बांसुरी की तान हो, दिल को छूती धुन जैसे आत्मा से कहे, दिल को छूती धुन जैसे आत्मा से कहे, ये यमुना का बहता जल है, ये यमुना का बहता जल है या वृंदावन की बयार, ये यमुना का बहता जल है या वृंदावन की बयार, या स्वयं कान्हा रंग रहे हैं, या स्वयं कान्हा रंग रहे हैं संसार के हर द्वार। कभी नीले गगन सा गहरा, कभी नीले गगन सा गहरा, कभी पीले सूरज सा उजास, कभी लाल वीरता की ज्वाला, कभी लाल वीरता की ज्वाला, तो कभी हरे की प्रकृति का उजास। सफेदी में शांति की गहराई, हर रंग में एक कहानी। सफेदी में शांति की गहराई, हर रंग में एक कहानी। यही तो है कृष्ण, यही तो है कृष्ण, रंगों में बसी आत्मा की निशानी। This play is not just a story, it is an artistic exploration of the many shades of Lord Krishna's personality, emotions and eternal teachings. Our setting today, parents and my guests, if you can see this beautiful setup, which is nothing but a replica of Vrindavan Nagari. So this setting today brings us to a modern day art studio where a curious young painter named as Siddharth, he is an artist of the show, and he sits before a blank canvas and thinks, what color is Krishna? Because I have painted many gods before, like Ganesha, Shiva and etc. But I am confused, what color is Krishna? And there comes this magic which happens and shows our young painter, the artist Siddharth, the color symbolic imagery that is going to be depicted today in the show. Like, for example, if it is blue, the depth of divinity and infinity, like the endless sky and ocean. Yellow, the joy and wisdom and playfulness of little Krishna. Red, the courage, love and strength he showed at the battlefield of Kurukshetra. Green, his harmony with nature, his compassion for all living beings. White, the peace, truth and purity of his spiritual essence. Each scene that you will see today is a blend of expressive dance, music, meaningful dialogues and symbolic imagery that reveal one color at a time with its symbols and meaning. And that comes through the life of Krishna. From the mischievous Makhan Chori days with Yashodama to the profound guidance given to Arjuna in Bhagavad Gita, and from playing in Vrindavan's, can you see that Vrindavan? From playing in Vrindavan's forest to moments of meditative silence. Each act brings a new emotion and a new lesson. Finally, when the play ends, the colors swirl together in the grand peacock dance and showing that Krishna is not just one shade, he is the sum of all colors, the rhythm of all emotions and the essence of soul itself. Through this journey, our aim is for you to not only enjoy the performance, but to feel the power, the emotion behind each view. And perhaps, like the young painter Siddharth in our story, you too will realize very soon that Krishna's colors is not just to be seen, it is to be felt in the heart. So, let the curtains raise and colors flow. Welcome to the colors of Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna.
On Krishna's yellow pitamat cloth reflects his childhood joy and spiritual brightness.
सारे जग के
Even the moon hides behind the clouds in shame.
धरनी हुई ब्रजभूमि सारी रखते हैं गोपाल कमल नयन प्यारी मुस्कानियाँ गुलाबे से पार धरनी हुई ब्रजभूमि सारी रखते हैं गोपाल कमल नयन प्यारी मुस्कानियाँ गुलाबे से पार सब गावे मंगला चार सारे जग के सारे जग के सारे जग के सारे जग के
Yellow. I see that. His skin isn't just a color. It's a symbol of his endlessness. Like the sky and ocean, he holds infinite love. My dearest friend, your presence brings me more joy than all the riches of the world. True friendship is like the deep blue sky, boundless and unwavering. whisper from the universe.
Krishna's heart never wavered in direction.
When duty calls, rise without fear, fight not with hate, but with truth and inner clarity.
Krishna, my soul is torn. How can I fight those I hold dear? You say, fight for them, for truth. Guide me through this storm. Let me rise as a warrior, but as one awakened.
Path, clarity is key.
कर्मण्यवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफल हेतुर्भुः मा ते संगोऽस्त्वकर्मणि.
You have a right to perform your actions, but never to the fruits of your action. Trust the process, rise and act.
श्री कृष्ण कहते हैं, जो हमेशा मेरा स्मरण या एक चित्त मन से मेरा पूजन करते हैं, मैं व्यक्तिगत रूप से उनके कल्याण का उत्तरदायित्व लेता हूँ। मन में बसाकर तेरी मूर्ति उतारूं मैं गिरधर तेरी आरती। मन में बसाकर तेरी मूर्ति उतारूं मैं गिरधर तेरी आरती। राधे कृष्ण राधे कृष्ण राधे कृष्ण श्री कृष्ण कहते
the color of pure love, which nurtures and heals all creation. To love all living beings, that is the truest devotion. Purity and peace. In silence, Krishna speaks most clearly, where all struggles cease. Truth is beyond color, beyond noise. Sit still, and you will find me within.
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare
Thank you. together form the peacock mix, his cosmic dance. Every shade, every move, every glance.
बांसुरी कृष्ण की बाजेगी, प्रेम में राधा नाचेगी। जमुना तट पे रास रचेगा, जमुना तट पे रास रचेगा, गीत विराजेगी, प्रेम में राधा नाचेगी। राधा संग झूमे गिरधारी, उनके अजगर सितारों से चमके, दीप स्वर्ग से आया उतर के। धरा इस क्षण को साथेगी, प्रेम में राधा नाचेगी।
कृष्ण कण कण में बसा, हर मन में भाव। मैं ही रचना की सरिता, मैं ही उसका सुर, मैं ही सृष्टि का कण-कण, मैं ही ब्रह्म का प्रकाश। ये पूरा ब्रह्मांड मेरे श्वास में, हर धड़कन में मेरी वाणी, हर दिशा में मेरी कहानी। मैं कृष्ण हूँ, सदा सर्वत्र अनंत।
You ask what color I am. I am not painted on canvas. I am etched into the spirit. I am blue, vast as the universe, where the swan flies free. I am yellow, the laughter of a child. I am red, the pulse of love and courage. I am green, the gentle whisper of the earth in every act of compassion. I am white, the silence that holds all truth. These colors are not just mine, they live within you. Each choice you make paints your soul. Will you choose kindness or cruelty, truth or lie, love or hate? Do not be afraid of this world's chaos. You were born not to escape the storm, but to become its calm. So paint boldly, love deeply, and
I need to introduce because this show, this program wouldn't have been possible without their support. Please come forward, my teachers. Quickly. Please come forward. I want everyone, even the team of mothering, theatre, dance, everyone on the stage. Great. So much, but it's theirs, not ours. It's all them. Please come this way. Now, I want to tell you something. If you can see this painting, this boy Siddharth has really done this painting by himself. So each year for Siddharth, ये पूरा पेंटिंग सिद्धार्थ ने एक हफ्ते में बनाया है, केवल एक हफ्ते में। और इसीलिए हमने इस पेंटिंग को बनाते हुए जो 40 मिनट्स हमारे पास थे, उन 40 मिनटों में उसने थोड़ा बहुत आपको करके दिखाया कि सच में ये मैंने बनाया, यानी ये सिद्धार्थ ने बनाया। Plus, not to forget, my Vrindavan Nagari children are all ready. Every one of them has really worked very hard. So please give them, my children, a big round of applause. Rakesh, please come forward. Everyone, I want everyone. My YG staff also, please come forward. You must not forget, every one of them has really worked hard because it's not that easy to complete the whole show. The little nitty-gritties of art, maybe the matkas or the pots which you can see, maybe the Vrindavan Nagari, everything sir is handmade. Nothing is purchased from outside. सब टीचर्स ने मिलकर और बच्चों ने भी इस बार मैम हम करेंगे, मैम हम बनाएंगे, मैम हम उसको पेंट करेंगे, everything. So 3 cheers to all my staff members. Thank you so much. Hip hip hooray. And once again before we end, can we say it loudly? Jai Shri Krishna. Radhe Radhe. Thank you. So Shri Krishna is going to come to really bless us. Thank you so much. Yes. Now you can disperse and go back to your own classes and get the things done as we discussed. Yes. I will later. Okay, but I want to just give away the mic to sir. Anybody who would like to please bless our students? Anyone?
I couldn't hold it, man, what a surprise, like really amazing, I've been a kid myself and seeing kids, you are super lucky, your principal acting with you, I don't think so ever, at least I have seen, such a sportsmanship and really, she's a true educationist, she enjoys, nowadays education has become commercial, I agree, I don't mind it, but see, what you do is amazing, man. That really inspires all of us here. And बहुत अच्छा man. Congratulations to you. As I said, everything has been. I felt I was in Vrindavan and with so many gopis, but in Krishna, Kana. Guys, you are amazing. Man, congratulations and parents, thank you for your support always. And happy Independence Day and happy Janmashtami also.
It really matters a lot. Thank you so much, sir, for supporting our children, my teachers, my staff members, everybody. My pre-primary staff members also work so hard. Every one of them. I would also like to mention Shipra ma'am. Thank you, Shipra ma'am. That's her 13th thing. We sat and wrote the script and discussed. Ma'am, if you would like to say few words before they go and disperse.
Good afternoon and namaskar. मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी कि I want to become a student again because I am a student. I am studying for my MA in regular classes. But Gaurav sir, Jain sir, I want to join your school again as a student, not as a teacher. Seriously, और Krishna का जो दिखाया, I was continuously clapping and like Gaurav Jain sir said that it took me back to Vrindavan. आप लोग गए वृंदावन कभी? तो अगर आप वृंदावन जाते हैं तो एटमॉस्फेयर बिल्कुल ऐसा ही होता है और तालियां बज रही होती हैं, वहाँ पे एक्चुअली हाथी भी झूम रहे होते हैं, राधे कृष्ण पर बहुत अच्छा कार्यक्रम था। निहाली, इट वॉज एक्सेलेंट। क्षिप्रा मैम, Thank you so much for insisting that I come. It was very good. And Prerna, Pallavi, Gaurav sir, Jayan sir, thank you so much for having me over. Thanks a ton.